I love the quality. I love. Price looking, you're going to shock. Mitra ke sale mein I got this cap for the next product we have is this. So let's see what I have in this parcel. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बी विद अक्षर। इसमें क्या है, आपने टाइटल में तो पढ़ लिया होगा। इट्स ऑल अबाउट सम एसेंशियल थिंग्स फॉर आवर डेली यूज विच आई हैव गॉट ऑनलाइन। फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने इतनी सारी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की है। आई नो इट्स नॉट अ मच बट इट्स टू मच फॉर मी। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आई हैव इन दिस पार्सल। फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट गाइस वी हैव इज फ्रॉम मिंत्रा। लेट्स सी व्हाट आई हैव। The first thing I have this Puma का cap and this is my daily wear. हमें essentials में लगता है. It's a daily wear. You always need this cap. Very nice. It is very basic. Because of course cap is cap. I went for this black color only. this सब outfit मिल जाएगा. That is also important. Once you are buying, it should go on everything. That's my motive. Sometimes, not all the time. Here you get a nice metal ka logo which I love it. This is how it's looking. This logo itself is looking very nice. You get this sticker type adjustable, and then you get a Puma ka branding, then a scanner, how to wash it and all. And let me just tell you now the price. The price of this cap is for like 350 rupees. On Mintra ke sale mein I got this cap for 350. But I was having one coupon 100 rupees off on this cap, so I got this cap just for 250, and which MRP says it's for 999. If you want to buy, you can just check my description box. I'm mentioning सबका link, but I think price may vary करेगा क्योंकि offer has gone. This cap is now for 900 rupees. I feel very lucky. मैंने जल्दी ये cap खरीदा. Let's move on to the next product. The next product we have this mini से packet में from Meesho. I've got these sunglasses. I don't know इन लोग ने डब्बे में खरीदा है. It's literally looking number वाला चश्मा. Price looking, you're going to shock. And of course it's from Meesho, so it has to be a cheaper price. Packaging. And here you get this. आपने एकदम basic outfit पहना हुआ, तो this sunglasses is literally nice. It comes with this gold frame and this plastic body, so it really gives you a very cool look. But I love the quality. And it's a sunglass actually because it's UV protected 100%. वो title पे लिखा था, but I don't know कितना ये करने वाला है because I've not used yet sunlight. The price of this sunglasses is just 160 rupees. Can you believe just for 160 rupees I have got this sunglasses with this case? Definitely I will recommend this. Let's move on to the next product. The next product we have is this. Very functional. बहुत premium सा feeling देता है. This leather, it's good. Here you get this heavy duty का zipper. It's very easy to open. It has this compartment. Then also you get a nice branding of a gear ka. Up front में this pocket, and then you have this easy access wala pouch at the back. Especially the chain is like it's really unique. It's also I think made up of vegan leather. I think this bag I got from Amazon, but it's from Gear. बहुत सारे features actually हैं, and especially it comes with a 1-ear keyboard. Can you believe? Plus waterproof. This bag I got for 300 rupees. This crossbody leather bag just for 300, which comes with this adjustable strap crossbody which is attached. You don't have to remove and it's perfect for my daily use. So literally it's very useful product I have got. This product I fall in love. Let's see what the product is. It's from Lenskart, which comes with this beautiful case. इसके अंदर you get a warranty card for 1 year warranty. Let's open it. Then you get a wiping floor. The sunglass from Lenskart. I was in shock when I just unboxed it. I loved the quality. Like This product is like really premium. You can just see how the quality of this sunglasses is. It's a gold frame. The storyline is good. The sunglass का नाम है Vincent Chase by Lenskart. So Lenskart has this brand called Vincent Chase. Vincent Chase, and although it's from Lenskart, so quality it has to be better. When I just got it, I sent some photos to my friends. They were like, "Key, but not looking good at me." For my daily wear, because for my everyday I've got another one from Lenskart, so I'll show you that later. But this sunglasses my mother loved, and she was like, let me keep this sunglasses. So I was like, okay. This sunglasses I got just for 500. I know it's too much, but it has a polarized lens, 100% UV protected from the rays. But if you search for a polarized sunglasses Google पे या फिर Amazon किस में भी if you search, prices will start from 500 only, and I got this literally for 500. And again, it's brand, it's from Lenskart. It's really a hit for me. Now let's move on to the next product. Next product we have is the same thing from Lenskart. This sunglasses is for me. जो पहले वाले थे, as I said, it is 50% mine and 50% my mother's, but 100% मेरे. It was came with the same thing. 1 year की warranty card. ये थोड़ा like leather like लगता है, और this one is like a plastic coated. This is also from the same brand, Vincent Chase by Lenskart. This one is a little lighter वाला gold, which also sometimes धूप में अगर आप wearing it, तो ये थोड़ा silvery लगता है. So that's what I was looking for. So I really liked the design also. It has like a frame का shape, it's like little hexagonal type. ऊपर में थोड़ा just like darker than नीचे it's light. Same polarized lenses, UV 100% protected. Sunrise protected, everything is same as this. I got this for 550, paid 50 rupees extra for this, like 550 rupees. I love the quality, I love. Next product we have this from Flipkart. My bag nahi hai, with the third class box. It's footwear. Yes, it's from the brand called El Paso. Sliders, sandals, whatever you can call it. I really love the quality. इसकी भी एक स्टोरी है. I got another color. It was a off-white color. ये सैंडल में I got it, and I used that sandal. So मैंने बाहर नहीं से यूज किया. जैसे घर पे नोटिस किया, उसमें वो off-white में थोड़े दाग रहे थे. So मैंने रिव्यू में भी पढ़ा था कि don't go for the off-white color. उसमें दाग लगते तो इजीली नहीं जाते. So I changed that. इसकी बॉक्स की हालत ऐसी इसलिए हुई है, I don't know because of that reason है क्या, क्योंकि I ordered this in a fast delivery, but the हालत of the box was really in very bad condition. So sending in the fast delivery, तो product as it is ही भेजो. Like पूरा ये कागज के like box के बाहर ये चप्पल आ चुके थे. But anyway, we are talking about this चप्पल. हमारे चप्पल safe है, that is important. And yeah, I got this चप्पल. They are very comfortable. I will highly not recommend you guys this. It all depends on your styling and how you like these sandals. But these sandals are just deep of Birkenstocks. You can see this. The Birkenstocks there, they made original cork जो bottles में wine bottles, consumer bottles पे you can see that cork वो ढक्कन होता है लकड़ी का, उससे ये sandals बनते हैं from Birkenstocks के. The same brand, if you really want to go with the cork sandals which are really long durable, top notch वाला comfortness it gives, these brands have the same like Birkenstocks and they do use original cork and gives you the OG comfort, which is, and yes, Birkenstocks की जो sandals है, they are little expensive, 5,000 इसकी starting होती है, but these brands gives you at a very affordable range like 1,000 to 1,500. You can get these sandals, OG sandals, which is made out of cork. After this design, it like जो Birkenstocks और जो cork वाले sandals होते हैं, they have that woody effect. मतलब इसके जगह they have painted this and they have made something art over here. I went with this from a brand called El Paso. I really like the quality and comfortness. It's very, very soft. I got this size 8. You can just see it gives you a premium look. And I'll rate this product a 7 out of 10. Yeah. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, which I have tried. Yeah, this is the product I have. ज़्यादातर मैंने actually Amazon से ही I've got. It was in my mind since day one when I just launched my first video, as my channel always used to say lifestyle and more. So I really I was excited to do something else. पहले तो मैंने launched the game challenge वाला video, and next was this. सबके link description box में I have mentioned. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, a good bye.